how to use Gemini AI on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Gemini AI on Android. So to use Gemini on Android, you basically have to install or you could use the browser version of it. If you have installed the application, then you simply want to open the Gemini on your device, and then it's going to ask you to log in, or it's going to ask you to register with your existing Google account. Select one of the Google account that you want to register with, and it's going to take you to this page. So now you just need to go ahead and tap on the search bar, type in the text prompt, whatever that you wish to upload, and this way you'll be able to use Gemini AI on Android. Now, similarly, if you want to use the web version of it, then you want to open up the browser, type in Gemini on the search bar, and then go ahead and click on the first link that appears, gemini.google.com. Click the link, and after which you could go ahead and start uploading the text. You could create an image, write, build, deep research, learn, whatever that you want to do it, and this way you could use Gemini on a Android. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.